What's going on, family? Black Phoenix, owner of HogOn Welding and the founder of Welding and Hip Hop. I wanted to give you a small update on my new t-shirts editions, the HogOn Pan Africa color editions. We wanted to just show you how you go to Amazon, pretty much show you what we got available. Right now we got 5 different designs: t-shirts, hoodies, long sleeve, and the tank top and the women cut. So I'm also going to have a zip hoodie on here too. Hopefully it'll probably be available in a few days. Just want to give you a small update for those who want to network with the movement. Like I say, we have our regular clothing on there. Also, all you have to do is push in HogOn Welding. It'll pop up HogOn Welding t-shirts. There you go, to show you the other brands that we got associated with. So they kind of give you an idea of how we networking. So for those who want to network with us, I appreciate it. Hold on.